How you doing today?
Beautiful.
Beautiful. How thick's the ice you got here?
Oh, I would say about 3.5 inches.
3.5 inches of good solid ice.
Very safe to walk on
You have to walk on.
Yeah,
No
walk.
snowmobile.
No.
No.
It's just walking.
And I see you got some nice fish there too.
Well, not bad.
Not bad. Good for you, sir. Thanks. Thanks for your time. Here we are out in the middle of Cook's Bay. And they are catching fish. And you got 3 inches of good ice. Tuesday. Thanks. How you doing today?
Lots of fish, just not so many big ones.
You got some real nice ones there though. Couple nice ones.
Couple keepers.
Yeah, good for you. Good. How thick's the ice, sir?
Only about 3-4 inches.
3 to 4 inches. There you go. And lots of fish down there?
Lots of fish.
Right, there you go. 3 to 4 inches out here off of Cook's Bay. There's a nice one you got just now. There you go. And that's a female?
That's a female, yeah.
There you go. Here's a nice one coming up. We hope. Oh yeah! Now we're talking. Now we're talking.
Yeah, the jumbos are in.
The jumbos are in here, boys.